Hi, I'm Dr. Harold Siegel with Natural Transplants. I'm here with Anika, who flew in from Las Vegas and is excited, getting ready, and nervously excited, and getting ready for her hair transplant. What brought you here to Natural Transplants?
And you. I've been doing some research. I've been involved for about, I want to say, 2.5 years. I've been doing some research and your name popped up. Her name is, I can't say their name.
Of course you can.
Her name is Amy on YouTube, and she just gave a, oh my God, excellent speech. So I just had to come to you. It just put the icing on the cake. I was already going to come. I just didn't know who my doctor was. So I chose you, and I'm so grateful that I did. I'm excited, and I can't wait to see the results.
And we are going to follow your journey throughout. Today, we're going to go through each step with you, and we'll go ahead and call it throughout the year and follow each step of the hair growth.
But, and if you want to see on their own, they could actually follow my Instagram page. It's Makaya, MAKHYA_the body.
Perfect. Well, now they know how to follow you, and we're going to follow your hair growth throughout.
Okay.
Excited. So, Anika, we just went ahead and finished drawing out your hairline, and I like the hairline that you chose. It's a pretty big area due to the extensive hair loss, but I do believe we have our work cut out for us today. And we're going to go for maximum amount of tissue and make it your day.
Yay. I'm excited. I just met his team, guys. His team is awesome. I've been so excited. You got to come to Natural Transplant. Preferably Dr. Siegel. She didn't hear that from me.
Thank you. Here I am with Anika, and we just came out of the surgery procedure room. And Anika, how was your day?
It's unexplainable. It's incredible. The people here are awesome. I love everyone. I look good. I mean, it's not there yet, but I look good. Dr. Harold Siegel did his job, his J-O-B. Oh my goodness. I'm a little bit too excited, but I'm excited. You guys just don't understand how this man has changed my life. For the people who are out there like me and you're wondering if you should come and do this, please stop wondering. Come get it done. Like, you won't be sorry, but you have to look with Dr. Harold Siegel.
Well, I thank you for that. I'm going to be with you throughout the year. You'll have my personal cell number. Anything you need, I'm here for you. I look forward to seeing the hair start growing and look forward to seeing your new edges. And there's no doubt in my mind, we definitely did a great job today. And let's stay together and see how this progresses.
I owe you my life, Dr. Siegel.
I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Again, I'm Dr. Harold Siegel with Natural Transplants. And if you do have any interest in having a hair transplant, please call us here. Thank you, Anika.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.